Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Maya, and it's a grand day to be a Panther.
Panthers, did you know that our school is hosting Heritage Got Talent?
Come share your talent in our school talent show. More tryouts will be tomorrow during all lunches.
They did not have a good turnout for the talent show tryouts on Monday, and if we do not get enough students, we will have to cancel the talent show. So,
showcase your talent, any talent, not only singing and dancing.
The talent show will perform on Thursday, March the 21st, and this event will raise money for the junior class. Everyone and anyone can participate.
Juniors, please participate and spread the word. If you have any questions, feel free to email Senora Velez or stop by her room 5204 before school, after school, or during lunch.
Seniors, prom season is here.
Tickets will be on sale starting Monday, March 18th at all lunches for $50. If you plan on bringing someone who does not attend Heritage High School, please make sure to see Ms. Farides in the front office for a permission form.
Please make sure you turn them back into her before buying a ticket.
If you want to run for prom king or queen, please make sure you attend the mandatory meeting after school at 3:40 p.m. this Thursday, March 14th in the principal's conference room.
Also, seniors, the Powder Puff game will be on April the 10th.
Sign-ups will be $25 cost that will include Powder Puff shirt. You need to have your physical paperwork on file from this school year, along with the return permission slip. Sign-ups start today, and there are only 8 per lunch, so no need to skip class to sign up.
Please see Miss Spittler if you have any concerns or questions.
Seniors, speaking of the Powder Puff game, are you interested in designing a shirt for the game?
Create a design for the Powder Puff shirts and share it with Senora Velez email.
The deadline for your shirt design is this Friday, and the winner will receive a gift card. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!